Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
When to come in. While the occasional reverse sneeze is usually nothing to worry about, if it increases in frequency or becomes worse, it's best to have your pet seen by your veterinarian. If not properly addressed, some respiratory illnesses can be contagious to other pets, become chronic or even be life-threatening. 23 September 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.